Hello, my name is Amber King and I will be talking about visual processing. Which side of the brain that needs to be used depends on what is taught to an individual. It determines which side of the brain needs to be used when a person is learning or looking at something. The information would then travel to the person's visual cortex on the opposite end of the thing that the person saw and would then be combined. Information that was picked up on the right side of the eye would be transferred to the left side of the hemisphere. Information that was picked up on the left side of the eye would also be transferred but to the right hemisphere, or the right side of the hemisphere. Garrett and Hugh, 2021, mentions that the LGN, lateral geniculate nuclei, and is known to keep information from both eyes separated and processed in the primary visual cortex. Depending on how close or far the image is located gives the separation the eyes need in order to produce retinal disparity. Retinal disparity is when the required use of both eyes perceives depth between two different objects nearby. When it is noticed by the visual cortex, neurons fire depending on that lateral displacement. Garrett and Hugh, 2021. Lateral displacement is when rays of light travel in a straight line and pass through. It could pass through glass or anything else it can go through, but once it travels past that glass, it does not go in the same direction it was originally going in. Then the previous information moves into the anterior parietal cortex with additional information that it may have missed with more specific details. This could include its shape or location depending on the distance of that object. Retinal disparity falls on the fovea. The fovea is what gives people the sharpness in their eyesight. The greater distance the object has would be located on the inside of the retina, but the closer the object is located would be on the outside of the retina. With this information, it allows the brain to get an idea on how close or far the depth of field is. Here are my references, and thanks for watching.